Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. Got me Mark and welcome to this quite peaceful Monday morning. So there's a storm close to us. It's still within the what do you call that? That area of responsibility, but it hasn't touched. It doesn't. It hasn't reached land yet. Hopefully it doesn't, and hopefully it weakens because it's traveling very slow. Hence the monsoon rains we are experiencing here. So I hope everyone had a well rested weekend. And it's another start of the work week. Is it the last week of July? No, there's still half a week next week. So it's like a transition week next week between July to August. So what we have here is a performance by the band Magnus Haven. The song is entitled Dambana. Dambana, does it mean bell? Uh, Dam, that's my guess. Dambana. Let me quickly run a search. Dambana in English. Okay. Shrine. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Dambana means shrine. So the in the description, so it's this is the act's newest single, expresses one unfaltering love for their special someone and the high hopes they hold on to about their relationship. So this was released a year ago, almost. Oh yeah, yeah, more than a year ago. So let's see what they have going. But before that, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go in three, two, one.
Wish 1075.
Uubusin lahat ng oras sa'yo, kahit sa sarili lang sigurado. Umaasa na tayo hanggang dulo, kahit sa huling makikita ng mata ko. Nagkakulong lang ako sa iyong mundo, walang sinasayang sa salita mo. Ang dahilan kung ba't tayo pinagtagpo, may kulang lang sa buhay ko na ikaw ang bubuo. Pasensya na kung nagdadamot ako pagdating sa iyo. Akin ka lang, akin ka lang, hindi maghahanap ng iba. Akin ka lang, akin ka lang, sa puso'y ikaw lang nag-iisa. Akin ka lang.
And that is the end of the song. So first, love the guitar sound here. So it's very less polished sound. So it's warm. You see the inherent warm tone, and then there's that mild fuzz there. So it's like a clean fuzz. There's no you can't hear any like buzzing, unnecessary buzzing sound, but there is that nice buzz behind that clean warm tone. You notice that here, so it I'll skip some of my reactions already. See this one? It looks like some sort of a ponytail. So I notice there are guitarists who does this approach. So when they're playing a rhythm, a rhythm part, basic chords, the ponytail is here at the end. So there's no use. It's just at the end so that it doesn't block his way. So he can just play the normal rhythm. But when he does play the lead part, or some parts where he's gonna play somewhere here and up, mostly fills or lead. Let me jump to 3 minutes 40 because that's where you will see what I was saying. So let's have a go up until the lead part.
aking hala.
Exclusive.
Not sure if it's a ponytail, but you can see that it's from here. It's now here in the middle, and it's not a capo. It's not a capo because he didn't need a capo to play the song. So it's something to mute the string so that it does not get, in case he accidentally plucks or hits an unnecessary string, it will not, it will be muted. So it's either there will either it's gonna be heard very very subtle, or there it will be not heard at all. So it prevents those unnecessary sound by accidental picking, or maybe if his left hand tripped on a particular string. Hence the cleanliness of his sound. Okay. Bass sound, you know, doesn't look like, it looked like a Fender styled bass, but judging from the logo, doesn't look like a Fender. But it has a nice fat sound, like the dunk dunk dunk. So very cool. Like the color, I dig the color there. And then the drums, man. If you listen to the every time he hits the what do you call that, the cymbal, it, it's very it's very close to an actual cymbal sound because of the so wish, the wish bus is now is doing a good job with, let's see, see that see the so, so they're doing well now with the drum sound. So even it's electronic, it sounds close to the real thing. So from a lyrical perspective, it's very mushy and very very sweet. So I forgot if this was in the first or second verse. Ang dahilan bakit tayo pinagtagpo. Not takbo. Takbo is run. Tagpo is meet. So the reason why we pinagtagpo means made to meet. So the reason why we were made to meet, or the reason why we met. So this is not the exact lyrics, but that this is the essence. There, so there is there. Kulang is missing. In me, you, ang is the. Bubuo is you will form. When we say bubuo, imagine if something gets broken, bubuo means to put together. So there is something in me that you can put together, or it's like there's something missing in me and you are the one to fill that missing part. And then in the chorus, you can see that it's quite identical. The first two line, akin ka na lang, akin ka lang. But here's the difference. Akin is mine, ka is you, na is be or now, something like that. And then uh, lang is only. But if we translate it, akin ka na lang, it's like you are asking the person to be mine, like please be mine, something like that. And then akin ka lang means you are mine or you're mine only. So it's like putting some fence around your uh, loved one or your prized possession or your valuable, something like that. So there's a big difference just by one syllable or one word. And then of course 3 minutes 40, that nice fat lead. So, yep, very sweet. So I noticed the with Magnus Haven, their songs are either love songs or about Pinoy pride, if I remember correctly. And their music spans from OPM, Pinoy rock, up to love songs such as this one. So I love to hear more of them, like other genre. Let's see how far their span is in terms of genre. If they can do something like maybe a disco or funk. Yeah, so we're gonna find out soon enough. For now, that's our reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.